What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, to start off the year, we are up $1,500. We made $300 in UNH, Chevron $863, AVGO $295, tallying up to $1,524. Let's get into the trades. I'm going to break down how I did it. Let's break down the first trade, Chevron. If you look at it on the 1-year chart, Chevron has a known resistance at this 165 level. What I like seeing about this in the last 5 days, you could see Chevron blasted up past 165 up to 187, and then had a 10% pullback from 173 all the way down to 155. When you look at this level, what I did here was I went on the 5-day, on the 5-minute, and then looked for my RSI play here. You are going to see a divergence that comes on here, and there is my entry. If you look at the RSI right here, it was 20, right when it was at 159, and then if you notice the second RSI, right here at this level at 156 was my entry. RSI was 15. Now, I'm going to make this clearer for you. You can see, even though the stock price is $159 here, you have a higher RSI divergence when it's lower at 156, signaling a change in direction. My entry was at 156. I traded this all the way back up to $158 per share, making me $800 on that trade. That trade was a 1.5% return. Focusing on the second trade, Broadcom, AVGO. Yesterday, it was trading at $338 and found support in this level. What I did was I bought the first retest at this level, $338, and we scalped it up. So right here at the open, this is 930. I'm going to show you the drawing tool right here. 930 hits, we start having major red coming down. Looking for 338 is my entry. Before I bought in this candle, I wanted to make sure that the RSI was showing that it was deeply oversold. If you look here, RSI is trading at 16 at this level. I bought this green candle coming up at 338 and then scalped it up all the way at 341 to make the $300. And last but not least, UNH. If you look at the 5-day chart, you can see that we have support around this $340 level. You had a rejection right here, which turned into support at $341. I bought this retest right here at $340. I'm going to zoom in on the 1-day so you can see it. Right here, we started pulling back, hit this 340, and then started consolidating in this range, which I started to scalp and just buy shares and buy and sell within those ranges. Once I can see that the 338 was holding, I had more confidence to enter a larger position and then bought this retest right here at 338.6 and rode it back up to 340. So scalping 1 to 2 points at a time on UNH has netted me over $1,500 so far. I got some exciting news for you guys on the YouTube channel. If you click under store, you can get Trading Simplified apparel, whether it's a beanie, hat, a sweatshirt, or a trading mug. You can also get a sticker for your laptop as well. Be sure to check this out right on the YouTube channel just for you.